Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change the jersey in eFootball 2024. So let's get started. At first, let's look at the jersey used right now. Click on My Team and here we can see this stripes over. So let's tap on this and here we can see the two stripes over here. And let's get back. Now click on Game Plan. Now we need to change the team to change the jersey. So let's tap on this team button and click on base team settings. Now click on base team. Choose the team you want and simply click on done. Now get back. Now click on my team. Now click on stripes. So the jersey is changed. So this is all we can do to change jersey in eFootball 2024. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.